victorious anniversary sa inyo lahat. And of course, sa inyong napakasipag at napakalinong pastora, si Pastora Liza Asis, a university scholar during his college days. Congratulations sa ating napaka-dedicated, masipag, matalinong pastora. Pastora Liza, sabi nga in verse Luke 15:7, I tell you that in the same way, there will be more rejoicing